Former NFL quarterback Mark Sanchez started off in a hospital and ended up in jail, facing felony charges. 6 on Your Side anchor Bo Williams brought in WATE legal analyst Greg Isaacs to help understand what prosecutors will be putting under scrutiny if this case goes to trial.
Greg, thank you for helping us look into the issues surrounding Mark Sanchez. Appreciate you being here today.
Well, it's good to be here.
Big issue would have to be the big question here. Self-defense comes into play. How does the court decide what is self-defense versus just what's a violent crime?
Well, whether it's Tennessee, Indiana, most states are in agreement. You are entitled to use self-defense. The majority of states, especially in the South, says that you can stand your ground. But when you utilize self-defense, it has to be reasonable under the circumstances, which means you're allowed to use the degree of force that's being used against you to defend yourself.
And in this case, we're talking about, the allegations there, Sanchez coming into a truck, which I know we have talked before, like if you go into someone's home, I'm assuming if your vehicle is the same, applies just as much as if I went into your home.
If someone goes into your car, your truck, you can use deadly force because it's just like coming into someone's home. It's the Castle Doctrine. But what a bizarre case where you have an ex-NFL quarterback, a star, an analyst for Fox News, videos depict him kind of ambling around, apparently intoxicated in an alley. And the affidavit in support of the charges is very bizarre. Sanchez accosts a 69-year-old oil truck driver, says he can't park there, goes into his cab. There's an altercation, throws him against a building, throws him to the ground. He's pepper sprayed by the 69-year-old. Sanchez, undaunted, continues to attack him. And here's where the issue of self-defense comes in. The truck driver pulls a knife, repeatedly stabs Sanchez. The truck driver got a laceration. So if I'm the defense, did the truck driver use reasonable force at that point in time with an unarmed Sanchez?
Yeah, because they kind of have to go together, right? Whatever Sanchez comes with, allegedly, that's how you react, right?
Right, but if I'm the prosecution, I'm going to say, well, he was acting reasonably under the circumstances. One, he was minding his own business. Second, he tried to use pepper spray, it didn't work. And I'm going to argue a 30-year younger Sanchez, who was a professional athlete, virile, was in and of himself a dangerous weapon as it related to his unprovoked attack. But, Bo, as this unfolds, it's going to be interesting because right now, prosecutors, the defense team, are combing the bars in Indianapolis, pulling video of Sanchez. You've got bystanders with video. It's going to be a slow drip, but the most powerful evidence in this case is going to be the defendants, the prosecutors, the lawyers, always the cell phone and the cameras from the alley.
Above, that's right. Greg, we'll stop there. Yeah, it's going to take a while to figure this one out. We appreciate you as always.
Always a pleasure.